Have you ever contemplated the bone-chilling dread of neglecting your daily prayers? It is akin to a solitary hand reaching out to a friend in the deepest throes of angst. Prayers are not a soliloquy. It's an intimate dialogue with Jesus, a potent lifeline to the ethereal. Lifeline to the ethereal. Envision faith as a fragile sprout, under a scorching sun, starved of the life-giving sustenance of prayer. It could wilt and perish in a horrifying manner, dragging us into an abyss of spiritual obscurity. A neglected prayer is a violent blow to our faith, leaving teetering on the edge of oblivion. We must reinforce our ties with Jesus, casting aside all worldly distractions. The mere thought of omitting a prayer should freeze us with petrifying horror, for the stakes are monstrous. It batters our spiritual shield, a safeguard we desperately require. The shadow of spiritual annihilation towers over us, and the icy claws of despair are a mere prayer away. Exercise caution, for the terror of spiritual demise is a constant, lurking,